coming to a truck stop near you. I could not be more excited. These little bad boys, although it might be a small little pouch the size of a lunchbox, it is packing some powerful pain relief. And inside, it just keeps getting better and better and better. This is our blush pink mini travel luxury massage gun. They come in a ruby red and black. Super powerful, multi-precision application. You can decide how hard or how fast you want the pulsation on your biggest pain points in your body. We have 4 designed heads specifically for you to match your pain needs. You don't need 8, you don't need 12. What you need is the 4 most powerful massage heads accessible to you at a moment's notice. And best part is let's get with the times, people. This is USB charging. Plug it into your computer, plug it into any charger that you might be using with your phone, and in just a few short hours it charges for multiple uses throughout the day. Use this for 30 seconds, use this for 3 minutes, or heck, use this for 30 minutes, and you are going to be feeling good in no time. Check them out over at mothertruckeryoga.com or get yours as soon at your favorite travel center or convenience store. And remember, if you don't see Road Relief Wellness products on your favorite truck stop, travel center, or retail store shelves, let them know that you need some road relief fast so that we can help you fight pain on the go.